So we're going to talk about how to set up the web components on Internet Explorer. So to do that, you need to go to the IP address or address given to you for your DVR. So in my case, for instance, it's going to be http://192.168.10.203, and then you do colon and your port number, whatever your HTTP port is. That should again be provided to you, or you can find it on the network page of your be under ports. So once you put in your username and password, you're going to come in and you're going to see this. Click here to download and install the plugin. So you want to click on that, and you want to save it. Don't immediately hit run. You want to save it first. It'll just download better. Once it's downloaded, then you can hit run. And once it runs, it'll prompt you to allow it to run. You have to hit yes. It'll quickly install. You can hit finish, and then you're going to see a pop-up at the bottom that says, do you want to allow this to run? You want to click on the arrow beside it and allow for all websites. That way, if you change your IP address, or if you're on a laptop and going from home to home or place to place, it can change and you won't have issue. Then, just to see all your video, you just hit the Start All Live View, and boom, all of your cameras will come up. So that's all you need to do to get the web component plugin. Click the link above to see other web interface videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, or click on the links beside here to see some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.